2016 Toyota Camry, and when you turn the steering wheel a little bit back and forth, you get a clunking noise. What it could possibly be, and this is a real common issue with it, is these are electric power steering cars. Most cars are now, and so there's going to be a motor that drives or assists you turning the steering wheel, and it's usually built onto the column. And what there is if you take the motor off of the column, there usually is a bushing in between the motor and the column, okay, between the gear. Usually a plastic or rubber bushing. This is real common with the Hyundais, where these bushings will actually go bad. If we look at this one, you can see that there's parts and pieces in here. They just deteriorate after time, and once they do, you end up with a little bit of a knocking noise, and then eventually it'll get way worse, okay? So, the Toyota Camry, here is the part number as far as the new part goes. It's called a damper. This is what it looks like, and we just clean this up in here and replace it. It just sticks back down on here, and the gear goes back on here. It's just 3 bolts that hold this on. It's gonna be 2 12s and 1 10mm, and then the column itself is just 4 12mm nuts, and then you can drop the column down. You are gonna have to disconnect some wires and remove the trim panel, but it's not too bad.